Hello and welcome to this video on Cyclone RPA Robots. In this video, we will introduce the product goal and core features of Cyclone RPA Robots. Afterwards, there will be a demo, followed by a brief guide on installing robots on your PC. Let's start by learning about the product goal of robots. First and foremost, Cyclone RPA Robot aims to execute automation processes stably and effectively. It also provides support of different startup mode to fulfill customers' demands in different usage scenarios. Moreover, it can be allocated and monitored collectively by the Cyclone RPA controller platform, providing great deployment flexibility, easy management, and high efficiency in operation. Next, in terms of core features, Cyclone RPA Robot is capable of controlling workflow execution, whether to start manually or by triggering. It can also handle exceptions, maintain running logs, and fully support unattended running as well as human-bot interactions. In Cyclone RPA Robot, workflows are managed in the main interface. Here, we can add workflow processes by importing the automation process files. Then, we can click on Run button to start the process. Also, we can set up trigger conditions to automatically start the process. Lastly, we can view running logs of past events to check details such as start time, duration, result, and so on. Next, let's head on to the demo. After launching the Cyclone RPA Robot, the main interface will not immediately appear on the screen. We need to right-click on its icon in the taskbar and choose Workflow Management to open the window. If we want to import a new process, click Add Process button and choose the locally released mRPAX file. The process will appear in the list. Click Run button and fill in the external parameters if there is any. Then click Confirm to execute the operation. We can see that the automated process of opening the official Cyclone Robotics website is successfully executed. The next button directly filters all related log in the running log section. We can also cancel the filter to view all logs. Apart from start the process manually, we can also set a time schedule or a hotkey to initiate the automation process in Trigger section. First, we try setting up a hotkey. In the configuration, we can choose different hotkey combinations and choose whether a confirmation window should pop up. We can have a try by pressing the hotkey. A window would pop up, showing the parameters and asking us to confirm the execution. Click on Start to execute the process. The result is the same. If we do not check the confirmation window box, the process would be executed directly. We can also set a time for the process to start, whether a single time or by interval. At the designated time, the process will start automatically. Note that to allow timed trigger to work, the robot must be set as locally managed instead of managed by controller. If the processes require a specific extension, we need to add it in the extension management. Likewise, third-party packages required for code blocks can be imported and managed in package management. If code blocks are called in Designer, they need to also be imported into the robot to ensure successful runs. In Basic Settings panel, we can set up the controller server. If the server settings are left empty, the robot will run locally. The robot also supports auto-login into the desktop when the deployed PC starts up by setting up the account name and password. To prevent the PC from sleeping or locking screen, we can also let the robot to periodically send a hotkey to keep the PC awake. The robot can also protect the PC from being interrupted during the running of processes by adding a screen security unlock password. The picture-in-picture mode allows the robot to run in a small window so that users can use the PC normally while the robot is executing tasks. Finally, let's have a look at how to apply for license for your Cyclone RPA Robots software. You need to run the robot application as administrator and find the QR code in Settings panel. You will need this code to apply for the license. When you have acquired the license file, drag or import it in this same interface to activate your software. This is the system requirement for Cyclone RPA Robot. And this is some default directory used by Cyclone RPA Robot. Take notes in case that you will need to find files someday. And that concludes this video on Cyclone RPA Robots. Be sure to check out the videos and our website for more information. Thanks for watching and see you next time.